It's that time again where I share my genius. First here, look at the sneak peek of the bot that I'm going to talk about. Look, it's hosted here on agents.zenical.com. And yeah, this is the sneak peek and back to looking at me. Anyway, this is the bot that I'm going to show you. It is the Zen Sajnani AI bot. It has been trained on my data, the way I speak, my tweets, some of my YouTube videos, not all of them, but it's basically built to replace me because a problem I was having a lot currently and even before was when I have a lot of leads messaging me, I can't have so many conversations. I'm a bit of an introvert, so I don't like having so many conversations. And I remember back when I had the crypto business as well, I was missing out on a lot of business just because I was not following up and just because I didn't want to engage in a lot of the repetitive conversations. I know it makes me a bit of an asshole, but I wanted my peace. I just wanted to do something else. And what do I do if I'm going out and getting drunk? Do I really want to drunk text prospect? No, right? So anyway, this is to solve that and a few other problems as well. I can't hire appointment setters and VAs who know exactly my voice, who will be there 24/7. And because there are phases when I have a lot of leads and some phases where I have no leads, where I'm just not offering anything. So what do I do then? I don't want to have to like let them go. But anyway, I built this. Let me get back to show you what it was. Yeah, it's hosted here, agents.zenical.com. And this is the Telegram bot, Zen Sajnani AI bot. Link below, you can test it out as well if you want. So yeah, this is it. Let me just get it up here. Okay, start. So it's just gonna start. Let's just wait. Let's just see if it's working right now. Okay, perfect. Looks like blah blah blah, whatever. So what's up? How are you today? I know this is just small talk first, so yeah, if you are also testing the bot out, if you just want to get it straight to work, yeah, be nice, make some small talk. Just cruising, everything's chill on mine. How about you? Just why it's a bit cringe, okay? I haven't trained it perfectly, or maybe it's just me who's cringe and it's just a reflection of me. I don't know. But okay, I need your help improving my social skills and confidence. I'm gonna show you as a business owner and as a personal brand how this is gonna help you. I'm gonna get to it. Like obviously I have a lot of offers as well, right? Like a lot of things I'm promoting. So instead of just saying, oh yeah, buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that, it's gonna do it in a more organic way where it's gonna build rapport, where it's gonna speak to you, understand your problems, it's gonna give value, and then if you are interested and if you can be helped, then it's gonna say, oh, this is something we can offer you. Do you want it? And if you're interested, it's gonna give you that. If you're not interested, it's still gonna speak to you. I personally wouldn't, but my bot is gonna speak to you. So yeah, no problem, man. Boosting social skills, confidence, comfort zone. Okay, good advice. It's trained on me. I remember when I was in a similar spot, so it knows my stories as well. I felt like every interaction was a high stakes situation when I learned to be making others feel good in the conversation. Everything changed. What's your biggest challenge? Okay, yeah, this is exactly the advice I would give. What's your biggest challenge? Let's say I get nervous and I don't know what to say. What do you do when you don't know what to say? Okay, let's see. Wait, and it's gonna come up. Yeah, it's here. You get that nervous energy can be a killer. That annoying voice in your head that keeps pointing out what could go wrong instead of what could go right. Exactly. The thing is, conversation doesn't have to be a pressure cooker. Often we make it more complicated than it needs to be. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian or a smooth talker. It's all about being present and genuine. Exactly. When I was wrestling with that same nervousness, I found shifting my focus helped to, instead of worrying about what to say next, try to really listen to the person, ask questions that pique your interest about them, takes the spotlight off of you and transforms the interaction. That's good advice, but not exactly what I would say. I would say just keep talking randomly about whatever you want to talk about. But again, I can improve that by training it on more of the new videos that I have created. It's not trained on that yet, but once it is, it's gonna do that. So think of a recent situation where you felt nervousness. What was happening there? Okay, so more conversation instead of that. Let's just see. Can I get one-on-one help mentorship from you? I really want to fix this problem quick. Sure thing. If you're serious about leveling up and tackling these issues head on, we can dive into a mentorship setup. One-on-one guidance can really help. Blah blah blah. Okay. Lifestyle design, social skills transformation calls is a great way to kick things off. See if we can work together. If you'd like, just apply here. Okay, perfect. You can just go apply. Let's see if the link still works. And perfect, the link opened. So it's gonna take you to the page. It's gonna like you or whoever is using it, and then it's gonna ask them all. It's gonna get all these questions, and they can book a call all directly from my bot. So this is such a great appointment setter. Like you don't need an appointment setter anymore. This is gonna work 24/7 around the clock, and multiple people can use it. Like even when I'm sleeping, I can have 10 people talking to this. I can send all the leads to speak to the bot here. Even if they don't book the call, they still get free advice. So that's generating goodwill in the market. And what do you think? In the meantime, what are a few specific goals you want to achieve through this mentorship? Okay, I want to be more charismatic. I didn't spell right, but let's see if it still works. That's the spirit. Charisma is all okay, perfect. Let's break down these goals. Okay, perfect. Again, it's gonna ask follow-up question. Then someone who's really facing this problem, these issues, it's gonna help them so much because they can just speak to the bot, and it's trained on not all of my information, but a lot of it, and it's just gonna keep getting better. So yeah, okay. What about this? Do you have any YouTube videos I can watch on this topic? And by the way, okay, when all these things are happening, you can see this is the bot. These are all the executions, all the messages. They're all being executed over here, and I'll show you. Yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you the structure of what happens. I'm gonna give you a rough overview. Oh yeah, because I just got a notification on my phone. See, you can see this. Yeah, because we're talking on Telegram, right? So I get the you can speak from your phone. Absolutely, I've got a whole playlist dedicated to YouTube channel. So it's gonna show the YouTube channel. Okay, and are you on Instagram? Then it's also gonna show my Instagram, and then once that is done, yeah, see, this is my Instagram, and I'm just gonna show you for testing now. Let's say all my offers. What are all my offers? Okay, awesome. On an unrelated note, please list out everything you are offering right now. By the way, just like ChatGPT, this also has like your message context. So it has like chat history, so it can give responses based on the previous messages. And yeah, see, here's what's on the table right now. All the offers: lifestyle design, my AI content automation bot, free lifestyle design guide, social transformation guide, AI and automation consulting call. Yeah, which by the way, if you want to learn how to build stuff like this, you can book a call. We can create something like you for your own business or something like the other AI agents and automations I've built, which there's a playlist for AI and automation playlist on my YouTube. You can see there, you can just ask the bot as well, it's going to give it to you. Then my Twitter bot for OFM, for growing on Twitter, lifestyle design playlist, Instagram. If a girl is texting me over here, she'll be invited to my parties. If someone wants a job, and right now I'm not actively looking, but if they want to apply, and when I am looking for people to hire, they can apply over here. And direct chat, they can just talk to me directly over here. So yeah, that was it. This is the bot and how I built this. Okay, yeah, let me just give you a little rundown on how I built this as well, on like what it does. I'll just show you a rough overview. The main things I'm not going to go into the complexities of it, but these are the main things you want to see. The Telegram trigger means when there's a message received on the bot, by the bot, then the AI model, it receives the message and any previous messages, and it speaks to my assistant. So I've created my assistant, I've given it my API key, and my assistant, which is Zen Sajnani. So you can see this over here, Zen Sajnani AI. This is the system instructions, and this is my knowledge base I've uploaded. And I'm going to run an automation to keep updating the knowledge base with my new YouTube videos as well. My marketing assistant, my other assistant, and so what happens here is when we get the output from this node, it just uploads it. It just sends the message back to Telegram, and then here are the logs for mainly like the chat history and context. And these are the executions. We can see if anything failed and if it succeeded. So yeah, that was it. I hope you found value in this video, just to show you what is possible. There's so many more things I can do. I'm trying to figure out a way to have this on Instagram. So instead of many chat, I can just have people respond to my stories like, okay, DM this word for this lead magnet or that lead magnet, and the bot can just send it to them, or it can just speak to them over there. And yeah, so it is basically my VA. It's my support team. It is me. It is my appointment setter, and yeah, it's also my salesperson. And it's also it's just awesome. I don't know what to say. I can vouch for it. It's awesome because it's trained on my data. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Click on any of the links in the description if you're looking for any of these solutions, or just DM me for consulting. Talk to the bot for consulting so you can build something like this for yourself. And yeah, subscribe to stay in the loop, keep in touch with my board and stay in the loop with any of the other AI tools I'm building. I'm going to build a lot more now. Anyway, that was it. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Adios.